In this video, I will show you how to run the workflow for bioinformatics analysis of SARS-CoV-2 Oxford Nanopore Technology sequencing data. Perhaps the data you want to analyze is already imported in Geneious, but I will have to import the test data. Link to this test data is in the description. Let's have it in the local folder. Add and import folder. Here is my test data. I will select that folder. And here we have the 18 FASTQ files. They are various SARS-CoV-2 samples of different lineages. Select all the samples you want to analyze. Click on Workflows and look for the workflow you want to run. If they're not visible here, you can click on Run Workflow and they should be available there instead. Then you just click on the workflow, either SARS-CoV-2 Assembly Basic or SARS-CoV-2 Assembly Wrapper plugins. Now we will let the workflows run. It may take some time depending on how much data you're analyzing. Once the workflow has completed, the result files should be located in these new folders. In the folder alignments, you will have all the raw reads mapped to the reference sequence. In the folder Consensus are the consensus files with annotations added. I will now go to my results folder, which is where I chose to export my results earlier, and here we have all the consensus sequences as FASTA files. And that's all if you ran the basic workflow, and there is no need to continue this video. If you ran the workflow with the wrapper plugins, you will also have the folder called Reports. There you'll find the annotated consensus files and the results from Nextclade and Pangolin in tabular format. Again, you can find these results in the destination folder you selected earlier. So if I go back to the results folder on my computer, I have my Nextclade and Pangolin results here. You can open these text documents in a spreadsheet editor to make it more reader-friendly. Another output from Nextclade is this folder called Nextclade Analysis and the Current Date. In that folder are all the output files which Nextclade generates. And that is how you run the Geneious workflows.